You have to walk a long way to the water. The solution is
say goodbye to all your pain and sorrow. Say goodbye to...
This is capable of carrying singles and doubles, and it's very simple. You notice the kickstand. You want to make sure that it's in the out position. This thing folds up like so, and so we want it out like that. And we're going to load what's actually a pair today, but you want to load the boat so that this bar is going to be between the two riggers of the boat. On a single, you want this bar to be aft of the wash box. And once we get the boat on the dolly, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And notice how you can set the bow on the ground while you strap it up. And notice this bar is not up flush to the boat. So all you have to do is gently raise it up like that. And now it's very critical that you strap the boat down in two places. Because if you hit a rock or something, the boat might shift and the whole thing might slide off. So it has to be strapped down in two places. And that's all there is to it. And the way this works is the dolly is not centered exactly in the middle, but a little bit behind the center point. So one person can easily pick the boat up and roll it around. It'll be balanced just right that way.